This is a double up buck 3-inch 12 gauge. You're going to test fire these. First one, Pauldron. Lean forward.
That's got a kick to it.
Okay. There's the ammo. Clear it. Get the next gun to shoot. Again, double up buck 3-inch. And that's the difference. Ow to no ow. All right. You ready? Take it off safe. Fire when you're ready. Woo! All right. Clear. Cycle it. Good. Put it down. Now have to pick up the other gun. Same double up buck 3-inch. Aim forward, square shoulder. Aim. And fire when ready. Woo. Very different?
We're different.
Alright. That is the significance of Pauldron.